Lalita Sahasranamam, 1000 names of goddess that will bring unique blessings.
Sinduraruna vigraham trinayanam maanikyamaulispurat taranayaka shekharam smitamukhi mapina vakshoruham.
This Lalita Sahasranamam is said to be composed by 8 Vagadevis: Vasini, Kameshwari, Aruna, Vimala, Jayanti, Modini, Sarveshwari and Kaulini.
अस्य श्री ललिता सहस्रनाम स्तोत्रमाला मंत्रस्य वशिन्यादिवाग्देवता ऋषयः अनुष्टुप् छन्दः श्री ललिता परमेश्वरी देवता.
Lalita Sahasranamam also occurs in the 36th chapter of the Brahmanda Purana, where they signifies about the power of this Lalita Sahasranamam. There is nothing equal to Veda than this particular chant of Lalita Sahasranamam.
आदिशक्तिरमेयात्मा परमा पावनाकृतिः अनेककोटि ब्रह्मांड जननी दिव्य विग्रहा.
At the request of Agastya, Hayagriva has said to taught him the 1000 holiest name of Lalita Devi. This Lalita Sahasranamam starts with Shri Mata, Shri Maharagni, Shrimat Simhasaneshwari, Siragni Kunda Sambhuta, Deva Karya Samudyata. She is the mother of universe and she who aroused from the fire of knowledge.
श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यता.
There is a temple dedicated to Lalita Devi that is located at Tirumiyachur at Kumbakonam of Tamil Nadu. This Devi is said to have 5 major works, that is Panchakritya Parayana, that includes creation, protection, destruction, hiding and blessing. Shishtigarti Brahmarupa Goptri Govinda Rupini Samharini Rudrarupa Dirodha Nagarishwari Sadasiva Nagrahata Panchakritya Parayana.
सृष्टिकर्त्री ब्रह्मरूपा गोप्त्री गोविंद रूपिणी संहारिणी रुद्ररूपा तिरोधानकरीश्वरी सदाशिवानुग्रहदा पंचकृत्य परायणा भानु.
Bhanu Sahasrabha to Sinjanamani Manjira of this slokam, every part of the Devi is being described and every part of the Devi is being appreciated, like her tongues, nose, voice, her forehead, her eyes, all is compared to the distinct parts of the nature. She was extremely beautiful, having dark, thick, long hair, which is accompanied by beautiful flowers like Champaka, Punnaga and Ashoka. Champaka, Shoka, Punnaga, Saugandhika Lasatkaja.
चम्पकाशोक पुन्नाग सौगन्धिक रसत्कच कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटीरमण्डिता.
Meditate on her who applies saffron on her body. Meditate on her who applies musk that attracts the bees. Meditate on her who has beautiful smile. Meditate on her who has bow, arrows and pasangusam. Meditate on her who attracts all the souls. Meditate on her who wears a red garland. Meditate on her who wears great ornaments and who is in the color of red hibiscus. Sagunkuma Vilebana Malika Jumbika Sturikam Samanta Hasitekshanam Sachara Shaba Pasangusham Asesa Janamohinim Aruna Malya Bhushambaram Jabakusuma Basuram Jabavito Usmarenam Bikam.
सकुङ्कुम विलेपनामलिक चुम्बिक स्तूरिकां समन्दहसिते क्षणां सशरचाप पाशाङ्कुशाम् अशेष जनमोहिनीं अरुणमाल्य भूषाम्बरां जपाकुसुम भासुरां.
Her war against the killing of evil Bandasura is being depicted in this Lalita Sahasranam. Daily chanting of this particular hymn gives all the benefits as bathing in the holy river and giving all kinds of dharmas. To remove the effects of evil spells, Lalita Sahasranamam should be chanted in every home. To relieve from afflictions or to remove the influence of planets and evil spirits, this Lalita Sahasranamam is a protective hymn that must be chanted. To get eloquence, prosperity and fame, and in all the 4 stages of life from Brahmacharya to Vanaprastha, this Lalita Sahasranamam can be chanted by every individual. Lalita Sahasranama Yajna is one of the important yajna that is being performed in consolidation of dharma in this Kali Yuga.
Om Yashasvinyai Swaha, Om Shuddha Chakra Nilayajai Swaha, Om Araktavarnajai Swaha, Om Trilochanajai Swaha, Om Khatvangaja Praharanajai Swaha.
To the question of who is Lalita Devi, the Lalita Sahasranama Stotram ends with Abala Gopa Vidita Sarvanulangya Sasana Shri Chakra Raja Nilaya Srimat Tripura Sundari Shri Shiva Siva Satyaika Rupini Lalitambika. She who is known by children and cowards, and her commands are not being disobeyed by anyone. She resides in the Shri Chakra, which is also known as the King of Chakras, and she herself is the Shiva, and she is a union of Shiva and Shakti. She is none other than Lalita Devi, Lalita Tripura Sundari.
आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी श्रीशिवा शिवशक्त्यैक्यरूपिणी ललिताम्बिका.
Okay, everyone must chant this Lalita Sahasranama Stotram on this auspicious occasion of Navaratri and seek the blessings of Lalita Devi. Thank you everyone. Let's see again.
Janujani Roshini